Have you ever pondered the secrets of the lost superfoods? Those resilient culinary wonders that defy time, requiring no refrigeration for years? Envision an era when refrigeration was a luxury, not a given. A time when the essence of survival hinged on the natural preservation of foods, their nutritional value standing as the beacon of sustenance. Enter the realm of the lost superfoods, not your run-of-the-mill provisions, but robust, nutrient-rich treasures that endure the test of time. These are the stalwart allies that could spell the difference between life and death in the crucible of survival. Picture immersing yourself in a comprehensive guide that plunges into the world of these forgotten foods, breathing life back into them within the confines of your own kitchen. The Lost Superfoods book takes center stage, boasting over 126 forgotten survival foods and storage hacks. It unfolds as a treasure trove of culinary wisdom, an indispensable addition to your survival stockpile. Brace yourself to explore the variety and nutritional value of these enduring foods, meticulously organized and explained in a step-by-step fashion. Consider the doomsday ration, a robust source of essential nutrients, meticulously crafted to sustain life in the direst circumstances. Astonishingly, you can recreate it at home using everyday ingredients. Imagine having a reservoir of healthy and vital fats that can sit on your shelf, stable and ready for use, without the constraints of refrigeration. This forgotten shelf-stable food, another gem unearthed from the book, turns this into reality. And who could forget the long-lasting bread of the 1800s? Unlike its contemporary counterpart prone to swift spoilage, this nutrient-packed version can defy time, remaining fresh for an impressive duration. Each of these foods is accompanied by detailed nutritional values, allowing you to monitor your intake of vital macronutrients, fats, carbs, and proteins. But this is merely scratching the surface. Within the pages of the Lost Superfood Foods, you'll discover a treasure trove of survival foods, intricately detailed in a step-by-step manner. It goes beyond mere reading. It's a journey into preparing and storing foods without refrigeration, offering profound nutritional insights for each item. There's a poignant connection to our ancestors in this exploration of survival and sustenance. The Lost Superfoods is not just a book. It's a profound guide, a companion in navigating the intricate art of preparing and storing foods without refrigeration. Knowledge is power, and understanding these forgotten superfoods might just be your key to resilience in challenging times. Stay curious, stay prepared.